How to make a group email using Gmail. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create a group email using Gmail. We will be able to create a group and then send one email to save time and to give away information to all of our team members at once. So what you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail, and in here we have to compose our new email. But before that, we have to go to our contacts. So you will simply go to your Google Apps and go to contacts. When you open up contacts, then you will be able to find all of the contacts that you have added. You can simply enter email addresses right here and phone number. Then you can simply go ahead and select your contacts. I created these contacts right here, and now I'm gonna select. Then you will simply go to manage labels and create a new label. This is my work team. Now I'm gonna click on save. So this work team has been created with 4 contacts in it. This is my group to which I want to send an email to. Now I will simply go back to my Gmail, and in Gmail simply click on compose, and we have our 2 option right here. So in 2, I'm gonna click on select, and in select we can simply go to my contacts. In my contacts we have work team right here. This is the group that I created. So I'm gonna select this team right here, and then I will be able to send this email to this group right here that I created. This is how you can simply send an email in a group. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.